Right, so good morning. Today is another day in the life for a digital nomad. Today we're in Kuala Lumpur. Our routine as usual starts with coffee, meditation, a little bit of a morning routine. Here we have 7 a.m. jiu-jitsu class. So we don't get any work done or anything before that. We just get up, organize ourselves and walk to jiu-jitsu, which is what we're doing now. To be honest, walking around Kuala Lumpur is pretty easy. The one problem we have is getting across this one road. That will make the difference between whether it takes us, I don't know, a little under 20 minutes or a little over 20 minutes to get to jiu-jitsu, but seem to be having a good luck today. All of these day in life videos share some similarities because we figured out what works really well for us as far as work goes, as far as gym goes, as far as jiu-jitsu, and depending on what our goals are. But also they have unique differences, which is interesting to explore from place to place. Here, for example, this is the first place that we've woken up and been out of the house before it's even light. Maybe it's a city thing, I don't know. Or maybe it's just because this is the earliest we've come to jiu-jitsu, the earliest class that we've never done 7 a.m. before, right?
What a way to start your morning. 8:09 in the morning, all done.
How was it?
Very tiring. Of course, it's very hot today, but it was amazing. It's been a very cool part of our routine. Just wake up, come training, and start the day.
It works quite well because now you get a little bit of downtime after, right? So we've got this 15-minute walk, heart rate goes a little bit down, shower, breakfast, and then we're like perfectly ready to start work.
The cool thing about our apartment is that they have like 2 different grocery stores. Like, of course, this one is a small one, and then I have another one here, which I'm gonna film later because now it's closed. So whatever you need, you can pick up so easy. Just go there, buy, and and go home. Very easy and convenient.
And we can also pick it up on the way home from jiu-jitsu when we need lots of water.
I think this one is 24/7.
It is, of course. Alright, so now we're back home. Gee's in the wash, breakfast about to be eaten, and then we'll go get some work done for a few hours. Nothing overly glamorous, but that's the point. We don't want to faff around. We've already spent enough of the morning not doing work, so around 9:30 we should be able to start and get some work done. A few hours of work done in the morning. We're about to head for lunch, but before we do, actually, let's not go there. Let's go for a quick apartment tour.
Right, we have a huge living room here. There's a nice TV. This sofa is where PJ works most of the time. We're here, and this nice dining table. It's pretty decent, good AC.
Kitchen here with the washing machine. We always have to make sure that we live somewhere with a washing machine, really.
Yeah.
We need to live somewhere with a kitchen as well, ideally.
It's good enough.
Kitchen.
Like, has kind of everything.
And then we've got bedroom, decent enough bed, enough space. B works here, as you've already seen. Nice enough wardrobe where we keep our stuff. And then we've got our bathroom here. Not the most glamorous. You don't really need to see any more of that. So yeah, that is our apartment. We paid around $800 US per month here, but because we got such a short-term contract, I'm sure you could get a much better deal if you stayed for longer or if you negotiated a lot more ahead of time. We just didn't bother doing any of that. We just wanted to make sure that we had a place that had a separate living room and bedroom, because we really want to try and focus on our quality of sleep at the minute, and doing everything in that same space just makes sleep a little bit more difficult because then you're in the same space that you're doing work and everything else. Your bedroom should be for sleeping. With that in mind, we're going to go out for lunch. We're going to go work out for after that as well. We'll take you along.
Oh yeah, this is the shop that they were talking about earlier.
It's a little bit more expensive than like the mall that's like a 10-minute walk away, but obviously it's not a 10-minute walk away, so sometimes you buy some things and pay the price.
It's not that much more expensive. It can be a little bit more. It's not too bad.
Alright, so that $800, whilst it might seem really cheap for some people, it will also seem quite expensive for some people that thought Kuala Lumpur was cheaper. This is right in the heart of the downtown, right in the center of the city, and we deliberately chose that so that we could walk to jiu-jitsu and we could walk to the gym and we could walk around in the central so that we can access all of the touristy things, all of the cool things that Kuala Lumpur has to offer without needing to get the transport, which whilst it is actually very well run, just easier to walk around 10 minutes or so than get a train or whatever and take 20 plus minutes. The downside to that is that it is very, very hot. The iPhone said today that it was 32, but the humidity makes it feel like 38. Luckily everywhere has AC.
We are at the Agrain. They serve like this kind of type of healthy bowls, but they also have a menu where you can build your own bowl. So this is what I did. I got cauliflower rice, tempeh, tofu, roast potatoes, pumpkin, and mushroom. Yeah, and then you can also choose your sauce. I just got teriyaki sauce to put on top. We love it because this is super healthy, it's super tasty, super affordable as well, and you can customize however you want. So it's amazing, very good for vegans.
And for meat eaters,
And
there's,
yes,
yeah, also
they have
there's
loads of
chicken
options,
on
yeah.
beef options and stuff. All right, let's get stuck in. Very good. Went for a pasta themed bowl.
This place is 110% recommended.
So yeah, after a few hours of work, we literally just closed the laptop, said, okay, we're good to go now, we'll go to the gym. I don't know if you can see it on. It is pouring outside. We got umbrellas, but we left them at home.
Because the day was perfect. Hello.
Alright, so now we got a grab. Yeah, so we had to change the plan. We couldn't walk to the gym and risk our laptops in the rain and then walk back. We decided instead that we're going to use our home gym. And to get there, we can take a grab, which is going to cost around 10 ringgit, which is about $2. So to get from the cafe where we just walked, which is about a 10-minute walk, instead of going to and from the gym, we just have to go home, use the gym there, show you around the pool there as well. Day in life, you got to adapt.
I'm really glad we got the grab, because when the grab got there, it was really raining that much. You couldn't risk and walk. But then look at this now. It just started raining so much again. This is the thing. You have to carry with you your umbrella all the time.
We didn't. Luckily, our apartment has a really nice gym, so go there. We might even get to go to the pool afterwards as well.
We just arrived at the gym now. Apparently it's full. I was a bit concerned about that because it's already almost 6
Yeah.
and it's raining a lot. Well, let's go inside and see what we can do.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and this also ruins our idea of being able to give a tour. I mean, the GoPro is waterproof, but it's just not going to make for a good tour. Oh well.
No pool tonight for us.
Are we going to go through the day in life more? We're going to go to dinner?
Let's go have dinner. We're hungry.
Time to eat. What's for dinner?
Well, for dinner we got vegan meatballs and stir-fried tofu. We've been doing meal catering for a while already. I mean, the first time we did was in Bali and we loved it, so everywhere we go now, we're gonna do it because it saves us so much time and energy. We got our meals from YOLO Food. They have a lot of vegan, vegetarian options, also normal options for the people that eat meat. What we've been doing is they deliver every day fresh meals to our house. Today is a holiday in the city, so they are closed. That's why you don't have our fresh meals, but they also do frozen meals. So we always have some frozen meals for the weekend. So for tonight, you're gonna get one of the frozen because this is what we have. And it's very easy and convenient. You just open and take the plastic off, put it in the microwave for like 4 minutes or so, and it's gonna be ready. Easy like that.
Here's our other stock. Yeah, we like YOLO Foods.
Yeah, they're very good, very fresh, and the meals that come daily are very different. Every day is something very cool and delicious. So
And healthy. I think
Very
this is our
healthy.
thing that we're finding is that you just because you travel full time.
Doesn't mean you have to be unhealthy.
We just prioritize
Yeah.
this.
Eating very well, training, being active. You don't have to do crazy stuff. The minimum already
Yeah.
helps.
You don't even need to prioritize. You don't need to. We're not judging. It's just what we do. Just trying to eat as possible. Here we go.
The only thing you're gonna do now is just eat this meal, shower, relax, watch some TV and go to bed. Not too many tourist things as the previous video, because this is what we want to show you exactly what we do day-to-day life. We really enjoy explore new jiu-jitsu gyms. Wherever we go, we really enjoy going to the gym. We really enjoy like our routine, waking up in early and doing our stuff. So this is great.
Yeah, we still explore a little bit.
Yeah.
Just in our off time, but in day to day, this is it. And it's still kind of fun. Hope you
I
enjoyed
think it's
it.
very fun. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts about this, about us or anything, please put in comments below. If you want to see more about this kind of videos, also put in the comments below. We'd love to talk to you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share with your friends. Thank you for watching it, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.